Well, hello everybody. It is time to get this done. It's the 4-season inner tent for the Lanshan 2 that I'm going to get installed today. Got the tent set up in the garden behind me here. There he is. And yeah, it's an absolutely stunning day today. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to install the 4-season inner tent in the Lanshan 2. So before we get started with the changeover, folks, here's the standard inner tent, the sort of 3-season inner tent that comes with it. You can see that, I mean, shadows cast straight through the mesh into the inner tent there. It is only a very, very thin, you know, you feel the wind blow right through it when you're inside there, which, you know, it's fine. It feels very open, very spacious and airy, but obviously doesn't provide any protection from the weather whatsoever. Okay, so let's take a look at the new one. So here's the new 4-season inner tent. It's made of a much less breathable, much less wind permeable kind of nylon, if you like. There is actually some of this material used on the original inner tent, but not much of it. It's only low down. The entire thing is made of this on the new 4-season, with the exception of just a couple of small mesh vents. If I can find them, there we go. A couple of very small mesh vents right up at the very top. It's very, very easy to put in and out. They're just these little hooks here, just plastic hooks, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of them. 12 of those hooks, and it's done. So I'm just going to pop this in now and show you around. Go. So straight away you can see it's a much more solid barrier between you and the elements. Not that it makes any difference, but it's a black ground sheet rather than a red one. It's actually a little bit thicker as well. It's a tougher denier ground sheet, just to provide that little extra bit of protection. The zippers are configured exactly the same way, unfortunately. I say unfortunately because I'd like a full width door really, but anyway, there you are. And straight away you get the feel that it's more enclosed. Other than that, it's absolutely identical to the original. Okay, so yeah, a bit strange. The next section of this video, when I was out in the garden, was of me saying that the new inner tent actually weighs more than the old one that I've taken out. So as soon as I realised my error there, I've had to remake this little section of video here and stick it in there. The new 4-season inner tent weighs exactly the same as the original one, to a gram. Okay, it's identical in weight. I don't know how they've done it. It's just a different material. They're not thicker materials. You know, some kind of witchcraft has gone on there. But anyway, the 4-season inner tent weighs exactly the same as the original 3-season inner tent. Okay. Other than that, I'll take you back to the original film. I'm going to get out with it fairly soon. Get a bit of a trip done with the 4-season inner tent in. Let you know how it performs. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me today. So many thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and keep an eye out for my next videos. See you again soon, folks.